Hey everyone, it's Raj, and you know how much I love talking about the future, especially all things tech. Like seriously, have you seen the new AI-powered noise-cancelling headphones? They're incredible, but there's this whole other side to AI, the part that has me wondering if we're not just a little bit, unprepared. We're talking job losses on a massive scale, AI that can literally rewrite reality in videos, and don't even get me started on the privacy implications. And look, I'm not here to be a downer, but I think it's important we talk about this stuff. We need to be thinking about the ethical side of AI, about bias, and about what happens if this technology gets out of control. So, yeah, this isn't going to be our usual light-hearted tech review. This is about the big questions, the stuff that keeps me up at night, and that I think should keep all of us up at night, because AI is here to stay, but how it shapes our future, well, that's up to us. Deserves the opportunity to contribute to society and earn a living. All right, let's talk about something a little more mind-bending, deep fakes. Now, I'm not talking about your friend using a Snapchat filter to look like a cat. I'm talking about AI that can create hyper-realistic videos of anyone saying or doing anything, like scarily realistic. Imagine watching a video of a politician making offensive remarks, only to find out later it was a complete fabrication. Or what if you saw a video of yourself saying or doing something you never did? Deepfakes have the potential to spread misinformation like wildfire, erode trust in institutions, and even incite violence. Think about elections, for example. Imagine a deepfake video of a candidate surfaces right before election day, making them look corrupt or incompetent. By the time the truth is revealed, the damage is already done, and it's not just political manipulation we need to worry about. Remember that feeling you get when you realize you've been scrolling on your phone for way too long and it's like, wait a minute, does this thing even need to sleep? Yeah, that's kind of how I feel about AI and surveillance. It's everywhere, and it never sleeps. We've got facial recognition software scanning crowds, AI-powered cameras tracking our every move, and algorithms analyzing our online activity. And it's not just governments doing the watching, corporations are getting in on the action too. Now, some people argue that this kind of surveillance is necessary for our safety. It can help catch criminals, prevent terrorism, and even find missing persons. Okay, let's talk about something that's not just a tech issue, but a deeply human one: bias. We all have our own biases, right? The things we unconsciously favor or disfavor based on our experiences and upbringing. Well, guess what? AI has biases too. Here's the thing. AI is trained on massive amounts of data. And if that data reflects existing societal biases, guess what? The AI is going to inherit those biases. It's like teaching a kid to be prejudiced by only showing them biased examples. Think about facial recognition software that's been shown to be less accurate at identifying people with darker skin tones, or algorithms used in the criminal justice system that disproportionately recommend harsher sentences for people of color. Okay, time to get a little philosophical, maybe even a little existential. We've talked about the immediate dangers of AI, the job losses, the deep fakes, the surveillance, but what about the big picture, the long game? What happens when AI becomes smarter than us? This is the stuff of science fiction, right? The singularity, the point at which artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, and everything changes. Some people think it'll be a utopia, a world where machines solve all our problems and we live in a state of blissful leisure. Others, though, are a little more apprehensive. They worry about a future where machines see us as inefficient, illogical, even a threat. And honestly, can you blame them? We haven't exactly been the kindest species to other life forms on this planet. Now, I'm not saying we need to start prepping for a robot apocalypse. So there you have it, the good, the bad, and the potentially very ugly side of AI. It's a powerful tool, one that has the potential to revolutionize our world in countless ways. But like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. It's up to us as individuals and as a society to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind. What do you think? Are you optimistic about the future of AI? Do you think the benefits outweigh the risks? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.